list. List is quite important data type in Python programming. Okay, and you want to store 10 to 20 things in a particular entity, so you can make a list for that. Okay, and now we understand it. For example, you can make a list of marks of student class 8. Okay, or you can create list of people living in Europe, or you can make a list of people enrolled in 100 days of course of Python. Okay, after creating this list, you can perform some operations on them. Okay, you can entitle them and over you can call them with a name. Okay, and now you can create a list of class 10 math mark in which you store marks of all the students. Okay, understand it. A list of class 11 science marks. Okay, we can collect things in a single entity by creating a list, and it's quite easy to refer it. Okay, understand it. Let's move to the computer screen. We learn about list and then what operation we can perform with list. Okay, and how list will help you in Python programming. Okay, Python programming. Okay, understand it till here. So now I will be not taking a long time. So now let's get started. So now, like I will be now here I will be write like, first of all here we will be write like marks should be 3, comma 5 should be comma 6. Like heaven I will be write, and here I will be write like print should be marks, and here I will be write like print should be type should be marks, and here I will be write like print marks should be 0. And now I will be go to the here and I will be write like that, and I will be copy it, then paste and here I will be write like 1 and 2. And now the here is coming like 3, 5, 6. Class list should be 3, 5, 6, and here is coming like that. And list items are separated by commas enclosed within square brackets. Understand it? So now look here, separated by commas and enclosed within square bracket. Start with square bracket and end with a square bracket. List items are separated by commas. Lists are changeable meaning which we can alter them after creation. Understand it? And after creating a list, I can add another value in it. So now let's suppose there is a new admission for 4th guy. Okay, and he told me that he also want to give test and test his ability. Okay, so teacher said okay, so list can be altered. Okay, but okay, if we talk about table, so it wouldn't be changed. Tuple cannot be changed, but list can. There are some methods for list, and there an append method which we can use to add values in list. Okay, we learned this is how you can print list. Okay, so now if there are list of numbers, can we store string in that? Okay, so the answer is yes. So Python allow is, so now like I have in here I will be write like Ryan, and here I will be write like comma, and here I will be write like comma should be true. Like here I will be write like true. But the thing is, you are created a variable for marks, then you don't want to do such things. Okay, understand it? So now so look, 3, 5, 6, Ryan is coming like, and I will be writing like run. So here you will see it. It is coming like that. And the 3, 5, 6, Ryan 2. Here you will see it. It is coming like that. So now along with marks 2, I can also print marks 3, marks 4, marks 5. Like heaven, I will be go and I will be copy it like this. Like mark 2, mark 3, mark 4, mark 5. And I will be write like mark 3, mark 4 and mark 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't print 5 because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And like I will be run it and I will tell you one few goals. Okay, you will see it. The 5 is not coming. Why? I will be telling you, just wait. Okay, it's so list index out of range. That's why the 5 is not coming. And you are trying to access marks 5 and there is nothing like marks 5. And now if I remove this and run, so I get all these values because I printed 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Like I haven't erased it and run it, so here is the all values are coming like 3, 6, 6, 3, 5, 6, run 2, here is coming like that. We get 3, 5, 6 and in double quotes here is coming like Ryan and in double quotes here is coming like 2. We learned that we can add different data type in a single list, okay? Hey, understand it, which we already have discussed is the same like string index. If you do print color 0, so you can get red, print colors 1, so you can get green, and I will give like one example. And so on, okay? But if you try print color 5, you get an error. Remember this, okay? Remember this, okay? Each time item element in a list has its own unique index. Unique index. This index can be used to access any particular item from this list, okay? The first item has index 0, second item has index 1 and third item has index 2. Many people get confused in it, or the last item just has marks variable contains 5 items. Understand it? But to exit the last one, why we use 4 and not 5? Because the counting starts from 0. Okay? So, if you start counting your fingers from 0, so you get 4 on your 5th finger. Okay, like here you will see it 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you will see it. And here you will see it. So, this happens because the counting starts from 0, like 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 is coming like onto the 5. Okay, so understand it like that. If you want print Ryan from this list, I know the 4th element, but I hope this is clear. If someone asks you but the length of color, so I don't tell him it's 4 by looking at this. But if I have start from 1, so you get 5. Its length is 5. You should know this, okay? Now you can access the square bracket notation. I already have told you just like strings. Now let's talk about negative indexing. We discussed negative indexing in strings, okay? And now I will be go to the down, and here is negative, and now here is the negative index. I will be telling you like that, and positive index, and here is coming like the negative index. Here you will see. So I do like a comment out all the print statement I added here. Like I will be all the here I will be added the comment, like here we will be go, here I will be go, and here I will be go, and sorry, and here I will be made one comment. And now what we can do, चलिए हम वर्क done comment, and here I will give comment, and here I will make a comment like that. And now if right here marks 3, so what will be printed? Like here I will be go, and here I will be write like print marks, so will be in square bracket. Here I will be write like -3. Let me tell you the easiest way to do this, and I already have told you this is in chapter strings. Okay, understand it here. So this is the negative index. Okay, like I haven't write like hashtag negative index. I will be go and I will be copy paste. And now the lemma work is done. You just add landmarks here. Like here I will be go, and here you will be go, and here you will be write like land, and then land should be here will be write like land, and here. What is length of marks? Tell me. Okay, it's 5, isn't it? Okay, like I haven't write like marks. Okay, and now here I will be write like that. And what we can do here, I will be copy it like that again one time more. For we have covered into the positive indexing, and now this is easy for you to tell marks too. Okay, understand it? So now what we can do here, I will be go, and now here I will be go. This one will print 6, this 2, and this 2. Like I haven't go to the here, and I will be erase this negative, and what we can do, erase it, and here I will be erase. And now like here we will be write like that, and please I will be erase this like that, and what we can do, here I will be go, and land should be mark should be -3, and I will be like erase this land should be mark, erase it, and here I will be write like -5, 3. And here I will be go, and I will be copy it. Okay, copy it. And now what we will be doing? We will paste it. Simple. And now what we can do here, I will be write like 2. So here we will be write like 2. So now it's 2 here. This is positive index, and it is also a positive index. I will be write like that. And here it is a negative index. By adding landmarks or else you be confused. Okay, many people will ask you to count from the end and you get marks -3. I don't believe that you have to remember these kind of rules. Like I will be running. So now like here you will be seeing it. Yes, but I find this method easiest. I will tell you yes. Sometimes scenarios arise where I have to use negative indexing. In that case, I use it. In that case, if that case is making a sense, so I use it. If someone is asking you about the output of a program in exam or in personal, and if someone is giving you negative indexing, okay, convert it into positive indexing, and you are all done. I hope you all are getting this. We also have discussed negative index and saying I told you how you can do that. Okay. Let's suppose if I want to know if this list contains 7 or not. If 7 is marks, like 7, I will be tell you like that, and here I will be go, and here I will be go, and all, then all, then all, then all, then all, and here I will be press this all. Like here I will be here I will be add, and it will be make a comment like that. So now I will be tell you like till here, and I will be tell you the like in this class I will be tell you like Python list in Python, and I hope you can enjoy this class. Enjoy, like that video, share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll meet you next and very amazing class. So please access my Python playlist also and bookmark it. So now I'll meet you next very amazing class for today. Good.